Hello, YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. We got us a long overdue unboxing from ROTTED Props, and we're going to make this a giveaway. So stay tuned. Let's get into this thing. Do it. Okay, YouTube, so we got us here a box from ROTTED Props, and I've had this box for damn a long time. So to Michael Swatowski, I'm sorry, brother. Got a lot going on, been a busy season, home from MHC. It's time to unbox this bad boy, and I figured, you know what? Let's just do a giveaway, man. Let's show some love to the Haunt Fam. Let's do a giveaway. So Michael has us 2 corpse heads here that he made himself. We're gonna unbox these bad boys, take a look at them, and then we're gonna do a giveaway. So, alrighty, let's get rolling. Got our box. Let's go with an upgrade. You guys can chill out here. Alright, let's get into this. Yeah, baby! Perfect. Thank you. Hand chainsaw, gotta love it. Alright. Ooh, Michael packs well. Alright, Michael. Don't need that. Ooh, nice and padded. Love that. That's a guy who knows how to pack his stuff. Here we go. Alright, I think I see one. What the hell? Oh. 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 Well, let's go with this guy right here. Ooh, check him out. Alright, so these are latex skulls that Michael's made. He does have, I believe, an Etsy shop or an online shop. I'll link all his links below, his Instagram and stuff. So this is his skull. It looks like a little pumpkin. He's got some gnarly seeds here. It looks like he's used latex. Pretty cool, man. And it's kind of heavy too, I'll give him that. Ooh, boy. I think he does have an Etsy store. But I'll put all his links below for you guys to go find him and show him some love. So check out this bad boy. He's been in the box for quite a while too. Like again, Michael, I met Michael at the MHC, come up, got to talk to him for a bit. That was freaking great. So here is our #1 skull to give away. So we'll do another shot later, but I want to get all these guys out of the box first, give them some time to breathe, because they've been in there forever. Damn knives. But this pumpkin version is actually pretty cool with the little stringy bits. I love that. So we'll set him here to chill. And he told me there was 2 skulls in the box. It looks like there's 3 things. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we got another skull. Alrighty. This guy looks like an open mouth skull. Oh, we're stuck to him a little bit. Alright, looks like he's got some rigid foam in the bottom. Check out that bad boy. Oh, he's got a wide open mouth. He's nice. He's got a nice wet look going on here. He's pretty freaking gnarly looking. Check him out. So man, he's even got a hole in his neck. You could pop him right onto a piece of PVC. Make him a groundbreaker, or hell, put him on a body. That's freaking cool, man. He's got that nice kind of gooey texture. And he's got some really nice texture in his corpsing. Check him out. We got one more thing in the box still. Let's see what this bad boy's in here. It's orange. Oh, this thing's really heavy. Alright. Some packing stuck to him. Oh, and this guy's a pumpkin. Check him out. He's a skull pumpkin, sort of like my skull pumpkin mask. Check him out. Again, man, he's got really nice texture on his, a really kind of a fine, cool, like a wrinkly texture. Check him out, man. Alright, guys. Let me bring you a little bit closer. We'll show you a better shot of these guys. Nice and heavy, Mike. I'll give you that. Ooh. Okay, YouTubes. Here's a little close-up of these little buggers. And they've all got holes in the bottom of the neck, so you could easily mount them on a PVC or a body. I really kind of like the swampy guy. That would just go perfect in my haunt. But boy, they are gross, they are gooey, they are cool. Okay, YouTubes. So like I said, we're going to make this a giveaway. It was nice to meet Michael at MHC. I hope to see him there next year. I hope he keeps on making stuff. I'll link all his stuff below for you guys. And as always, you guys don't have to prescribe. You don't have to, you know, send me a love letter. You don't have to follow me on Instagram. You have to do anything. All you got to do is leave me a comment. You can even smash the thumbs down button. Tell me, Cobwebs, you suck, but give me your stuff. That's all I ask. That's why I know you guys went in. You went entered. We got 3 to give away. We got the pumpkin skull, the pumpkin, and we got the little swamp skull, which I kind of like. I think he's pretty cool. It's my favorite one. But just showing, you know, some love to a young artist. Follow Michael's links down below. And as always, man, you guys get a chance, go follow Trio of Terror. Dave's kind of on hiatus since the hurricane hit his house, and he's fixing the house. He's not back yet, but always Vic at Monster Misfits. Go find Brother Vic. We're always putting out something or working on something. But yeah, so we're going to do a giveaway on these guys. Hope you guys appreciate it. Show some love to a young artist like Mike. And we're going to give these guys away and say, we'll give it like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks or so. The winners I'll announce. I'll do a video on the Cobwebs and Candlesticks on Facebook page. That'll also be linked below. So you just pop over there, follow that, and they'll find out who wins the skulls. And we need 3 winners. So just leave me a comment. Cobwebs, give me your stuff. Anything else, that's all you guys got to do, man, and you're in. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Until I see you guys again, man, keep it evil, always.